What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. Guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful today. Guys, I have something very interesting. .os. So yes, guys, this is the latest one. This one was updated on in this month, actually, just 4 days ago. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and let's get into it, guys. So this is the notification area. As you can see, there's some new theming going on. Actually, this theming is based on the new Android 12. So you can see this is based on Android 12. It's obviously still in Android 11 GSI, but it's just themed on Android 12. So yeah, guys, you have the standard turbo settings, the Samsung features, those features, MISC features, MIS features, and then customization features, all the standard stuff in the GSI we see in the Android 11 now. So we all have that. As you can see, it's not changing the color. As I was recording this video, I was very confused on why it wasn't working. I found out later that actually since the Android 12 GSIs will come out, this will be removed. So since it was theming on Android 12, that's why they didn't put it. But you can still change the colors in the customization settings, guys. So, but the font changes and everything changed. Just the accent color didn't change because there was a setting enabled in the customization features of this GSI that prevented that from happening. But you can still change the color. Bluetooth works, Wi-Fi works, GPS works, guys, everything works. This is the customizations option. I can see it's very nice design. The wallpaper, as you can see, it's all dot based. As you can see, it's like gives a new perspective on how the OS is transformed. You can say this is the future of the GSIs, guys. So this is the lock screen. As you can see, that's the lock screen theme. Let me go back and show you guys more. So yeah, guys, as you can see, when I clicked on it, I'm going to click on it just in a few seconds. I clicked on it and I was kind of confused on why nothing is popping up. I realized then, oh, it's based on just sliding the color bar to change. I was like, wow. So yeah, guys, it's actually really, in Android 12, it's exactly like this, guys. So it's actually, when you're installing this Android 11 GSI, it's like you're installing Android 12 on the A7 2018. So yeah, guys, the title might be saying Android 11, but it might say Android 12 themed. That's why it's really cool, guys. You can see it's now we have the status bar, customizations. As you can see, you have many options you can click. Some options you click, some options you slide. Depends on how many options you have, guys. I think this is a really cool design, and they're trying to be different, which is amazing, guys. You see so many of the same GSIs now that you actually try to get bored. But when you flash something new like this, it's really amazing. There's the quick settings. You can change everything, guys. You can change the rows. You can change, I'll show you guys. See, look, you see how they just became more narrow? Before there was like more columns, now there's less columns. It's so many customizations, guys, and the GSI is very smooth overall. And this GSI is getting updated regularly, so if that's something important to you, that when an update comes out, you really have to get the new update, then this is a perfect GSI for you guys. So it even has app locker, has the lab. It is very nice, guys. Individually, the generate colors. So what does the lab will do? It will generate colors based on your wallpaper, because our wallpaper is the blue, sandish color, a little bit light blue. That's why the entire phone is themed according to the wallpaper. It's really amazing. You can change the always on display to the clock you desire. Samsung, I like Samsung's always on display, so I pick Samsung. We have the button. You can change the button options if you're interested in that. You have so many. You have themes, guys. It's not, you thought we've been to the theme. This is the themes option, guys. So many themes. As you can see here, you can change the font here, icon size, the action color, guys. As you can see, it says, you can see where it says red, accent colors is disabled. That's why it wasn't changing before, guys, but now you can change it after you disable it. So yeah, guys, this is the system or the system settings. You can click disable on, off, etc. Gestures, like you want to go screenshots, flashlight, all those stuff is here, guys. This also has edge notifications, edge flashing. So when you receive a color, you can change which color you see. And it also has the app drawer. You can make it super big, super small, whatever you like. And this is the maintainers. Obviously, this is nothing since it's a GSI. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the settings. There's not really a lot to show. But as you can see how it's shown, it's very different from the other Android 11 GSI. It gives that Android 12 look, feel to it, and the smoothness. And I guarantee they'll start updating the animations to Android 12. the security, everything works, face, fingerprint, everything, guys. The camera works, everything is perfect. So yeah, guys, I really hope you did enjoy this review. If you guys are excited for the tutorial, get this video to 20 likes and I'll release the tutorial, guys. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. I really hope you guys enjoy the video.